Hello, Zanadam from 2620 is active. Today we'll continue our exercise on methods. But before that, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. And if you like the videos, like, share, and comment. So today we will see one of the concepts in Java methods, that's recursion. Actually, it's not only in Java. Recursion is one of the fundamental concepts in computer science, and we will see how to implement recursion in Java. So let's use our example addition class and implement a recursive method. We will use a method that adds numbers. When given a number, it adds numbers starting from itself up to 0. So it will call itself recursively. So let's implement that one and see. Let's have a return type of int and call the method add up to me and give it a number, let's say num. Okay, so here recursive methods has got peculiar things that we have to address. One, we have to definitely describe the halt condition or stop condition. So in our case, the recursive addition will stop when the number reaches 0. So we will say if num is equals to 0, we return 0. Okay, 0. Otherwise, we will return the addition of num plus its predecessor. That's going to be add up to me, and we give it num minus 1. Okay, so now this method, so when it reaches, when num is subtracted by 1 at each step of calling the method, it will eventually reach to 0. So when it reaches 0, it will return 0, and 0 will be added to the equation, and the final result will be returned. And otherwise, it will return the sum of the argument provided and call the method itself with num reduced by 1. Okay, so let's see what will be the result. So here we have got add. So let's say add up to me, and let's give it 100. So let's print out this one. Okay, system, and so we print the output. We expect 5050 as a sum. Okay, so let's run this one and see the output. Here you can see the sum of numbers from 100 to 0 is 5050. To make it easy to understand, we can give it 10. Okay, so it will be 10 will be it will be 55. The result will be 55. Okay, so here we have got 55. You can add the numbers 10, 9, and so on up to 0 and check the result. So that's how you implement recursive methods, and recursive methods are very important in solving some of the common problems which are very difficult to implement with loops and other constructs of programming languages. So that's it for this video. Thank you for your time.